So right now I'm here at the Ungka area. We're taking a look at the construction leading going to the approach, which is a flyover is being built along Diversion Road. So it will cross C1, which is the Corazon Aquino Avenue. So the crossing itself of C1 and Diversion Road has been generating some traffic because of the volume of cars that is passing every day to both of the main roads of Iloilo. So I'm walking towards the construction area. So this is, I think, where they're gonna put up the approach. So as you can see there, the warning devices, reflectors, and the lights. So from the 3 lanes, or basically 4 lanes, when you pass by the construction site, it will now be only a single lane. So right now there is, of course, traffic congestion at the moment because the construction has started already. So we're just gonna try to walk towards the C1. So I think these are the cranes, and then the maybe a boring heavy equipment that will try to drill the ground. So let me try to find out if what type of equipment. Further away, of course, is the traffic light, which is now where the C1 and the Diversion Road crosses. I initially thought that the flyover will be built along C1, but I'm wrong. So they are building the flyover along Diversion Road, which is, I think, because of the volume of cars are flying Diversion Road, there are more cars going this way. So that's why they built the flyover along Diversion Road. So this is the heavy equipment right here. So maybe this is the one doing the pile driving, as you can see. On the other side, of course, also because they occupy, I think, 2 of the lanes on both sides from the center. So the other side is also being only the single lane is being used right now for cars. So definitely you will have a long wait when passing over this area. We'll try to get to the heavy equipment. Sir, mayong aga. Ano na siyang tawag sina?
Drilling rig.
Ha? Drilling rig. So they said it's a drilling rig, so I was correct because it will mabuho siya. Para sa pile drive or para sa mga columns?
Foundation.
Ah, okay. So it will drill the ground for posts, and then also for the foundation of the approach na din, no? Approach, para sa approach. For the approach of the flyover. Iniya no? Iniya.
Service crane.
So this is just the other one is just the service crane, which is this one. So panghakwat lang siya kung ano man yung mga gamit.
Bakal, eyebrow, casing.
Ah, okay.
Buhos, sakwat lang.
So lifting the heavy materials.
Nakuman yung bakal.
In yellow.
Service crane lang.
Another service crane for the yellow.
Pang-assemble.
So ang drilling rig na ano na siya, made in Germany,
Italy.
Italy. Okay.
Italiano, Kiparozzi.
Italian Lamborghini, kag Ferrari. Sige, thank you kita. So sa other side, sa next naman na yung stage. Una muna dito.
Ay, mga wire, oh. Dagan wire.
So i-clear mo ng wire. Okay. Okay, sige, thank you. Ano to? Ba't naiwan to?
Hindi, ka-assemble lang din. Kaya ang service crane, kasi mag-assemble lang.
Okay. So they're gonna assemble the cranes as well. So, thank you kita. So they're gonna, because of the wires, they have to clear the wires first that are obstructing in the middle or the center lanes of diversion road. So they will have a difficult time, or maybe a longer time to do the construction on the other side. So as you can see here, you can see traffic being diverted along to the edge of diversion road. So this is going to SMCT, while the other side, of course, is going to Pavia. So let me try to fly the drone and look at the construction from above. So you can see a better picture of the traffic situation during the start of the construction.